On this episode of Gear Up, we'll be teaching you how you can begin your YouTube career and then become a professional YouTuber, and lastly, graduate into becoming a celebrity and brand ambassador.
There have been a lot of studies that a lot of kids, their most desirable job now is to be a YouTuber. So now it's becoming something like they want to get into it because of monetary, when in fact, a lot of the people who really made it big are here because they just like creating. They like creating content, they love doing videos. Me, I've had my channel for 6 years. I always say nga, parang everybody's like, I'm gonna get that silver play button. It took me 6 years to get a silver play button, 100,000.
Play button.
That's 100,000 subscribers. It took me 6 years to get there. When in fact, I've seen people who have done it in a month.
The more creative you are, the theoretically less business savvy. Even if you think about it, that's why you always need a business partner. No? Yeah.
Speaking of traditional celebrities, you mentioned earlier, we're starting to see a trend that several of them, traditional celebrities, trying to get into YouTube.
Yeah.
So maybe you can talk to us about, can they actually make it? Is it going to be a big thing? And what are the repercussions of traditional celebrities getting into YouTube?
For me, it's going to be very hard, in my experience. When you create content on YouTube, it's always a manifestation of the authentic self. And that's why I think if you look at it, it's going to be hard for those who have been trained for television, who have been trained for movies, because they have to be their perfect self, not their authentic self, right? So when it's about the perfect self, it's a perfect shot, right? Everything has to be you have makeup, everything has to be perfect.
There has to be a script.
Yeah, there's a script and everything. When you go to YouTube and everything is casual, and you wake up and you shoot yourself. I mean, no celebrity would do that, right? No TV celebrity would do that.